Hey guys, we're here with Tat Granata from Florida Home Improvement Associates again today on a beautiful Florida afternoon. Welcome back. Good to have you, Tat.
Thanks for having me.
So your team is here on a total house install. All new windows, all new doors. Tell us a little bit about what this homeowner is getting.
Yeah, this homeowner just recently moved down to Florida, and they were really concerned with the hurricanes over the last few years with Irma and Matthew. So they wanted to make sure as soon as they got into the home that they were providing hurricane protection. They ultimately decided a great product from Custom Window Systems that's going to give them a lot of the things that they were looking for, one being hurricane protection, and then another concern of theirs being here, this will be their first summer in South Florida. They were really concerned about what their energy bills would be and trying to make their home really comfortable, especially the home that they have has a lot of glass, but they didn't want the heat associated with that glass. So.
Right, it can get real hot because basically the entire backside of the house is all sliders. Those are all going to be replaced, upgraded with this product, and there's a fancy little coefficient here, we'll call it the solar heat gain coefficient, and the number on this one is 0.17. The closer that number is to zero, the less heat that's going to get inside, right?
Correct. So in looking through all the different products, we wanted to go not only with a great energy efficient glass pack, this glass option reflects the heat away from the home, but also the frame that the glass goes into is as important. So we went with the vinyl frame as opposed to the aluminum, so that when that heat gets transferred to the frame, with the vinyl, it doesn't then get into the home, where the aluminum frame would transfer the heat into the home. So in maximizing and making it the most energy efficient way possible, we went with the Solar Max glass technology in the vinyl frame provided by Custom Window Systems. And another big feature for them with going with the vinyl through Custom Window Systems also was the lifetime warranties.
Right.
Being new homeowners, they're planning on being here a long time. They didn't want to have to worry about doing this again.
All right, thanks so much, Tat Granata from Florida Home Improvement Associates.